Hi, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. My name is Akhil Krishna, and in this video I'll be explaining about material on-site claim. I'll be giving you an idea about how and when this claim can be done and the supporting documents that are required to get this claim certified by the engineer. So let's move into the video. Now once a purchase order has been issued and the material has been delivered by the supplier, the stores department takes care of storing these materials properly and maintaining the stock of these materials and keeping a record of when this material has been issued to the site for the installation purpose. So the purchase cost of these materials can be claimed in our interim payment application as material on-site claim. Usually the supporting documents that are used for this claim are the invoice and the delivery note copies. Now usually the major materials are claimed for this purpose. Like for civil activities, it will be the flooring materials, the steel, the block works. So the major materials from MAP, it can be the cables, the equipments, the sanitary wares. And the percentage that can be claimed is usually mentioned in the contract. As per FIDIC, it is 80%, and usually it will be around 75 to 80%. And as the installation of the works progresses at site, the material on site claims will keep on getting deducted in each interim payment application. So because you will be claiming it as the works progresses, you will be claiming it into your BOQ. You will be having a separate rate for supply and installation works. And at the end of the project, once the works has been completed, your MOS claim will become zero because all your materials would have been installed at site and you would have claimed it in your works, in your BOQ. So to understand this concept more clearly, I have made a format, explain this MOS in this format. So let's move into that format. Now I have made this format where I'll be explaining the MOS claim and your work claim together, so that you will get a more clearer idea. So if you see here, your first MOS, now MOS 1, material on-site claim 1, this is your MOS 1. So you're just imagining or assuming that these are the materials that has arrived at site. Cable, this is the size of the cable, this is the delivery note number, 1000 meter has arrived at site, and this is the purchase rate of that material. AHU, around 12 numbers has arrived at site. Water supply pump, 5 numbers has arrived at site. So based on the purchase cost, you have not yet used these items. They have just arrived at site. So based on the purchase rate, you're calculating. So all these formulas you can see here. Your stock quantity will be A minus B, that is your delivered quantity minus your used quantity. You have not used anything, so your stock quantity is whatever that has been delivered. And then your material on site amount will be C into D, that is your stock quantity into the purchase rate. So here I have put 80% as the claim percentage. So 80% of this total amount. So this will be your material on site claim. And your work done will be 0 because you have not yet started your works. So all your work done, your cable, your AHU, your pumps, this I have just mentioned that these are the BOQ quantities and these are the BOQ rates. So BOQ rate will be supply and installation plus all those rates which you have derived during your tender stage. This has been after your rate analysis, you have come to this rate. So this is your final contract BOQ rate. These are just the rates of your purchasing these materials. So your claims here is nothing has been done. So now let's move on to next MOS. Now here we are assuming that slowly you have started your work. So you have your cables. So this cable, around 400 meters you have been using at site. You have already taken from the store and started using at site. And you are also mentioning at what date this has been issued to the site. Here I have also added one more delivery. So another order has been given and another set of these cables have come, but the rates, if you see, is reduced. So it is in actual scenario, the different same material, when you purchase from different suppliers, or when you purchase at different times, the rates will keep on changing. So based on that, you can add whatever rate that is. So here you are assuming that 400 meters have been used from this lot, and so your stock quantity will be 1000 minus 400, so 600, plus your new material that has arrived. So total materials that is stock will be 3100, and the rates based on, if you see the formula, it is sum product of this stock quantity into the rates. So this will be the based on that will be the amount. And here you have AHU, 6 numbers have been taken, used, and these are the dates. So here I have mentioned December as the date. So this is the claim for the month of December 2019. So whatever has been taken from the store in December, I have mentioned here. So if you see, I'll be using mainly MEP materials because I am basically an MEP QS. So I'll be more comfortable using MEP materials. So here again, you're mentioning here 6 out of the 12, 6 numbers have been used. So your stock quantity is 6, and based on that, this is the rate. And finally, you rate your material on site claim. So your work done will be whatever you have used. So for example, you have used 400 meters of cable. So here, if you go to the work, your current claim quantity will be you have installed 400 meters at site. So your current claim is 400 meters. You have used 6 AHUs. So 6 AHUs will come here. You have used 4 number of water pumps. So 4 is your claim here. So based on the BOQ rate and your claims, your amount for the claim of the work will be coming here. Now let's see another next MOS. You're imagining you're again taking out some more quantity for the site installation works. So here you're assuming that you're utilizing 600. You have taken 600 more quantity and 1000 meters. So the totally you are taking 1600 meter. It need not, in an actual scenario, you will not have an idea whether you have taken this material from this delivery or from this delivery set. You can accordingly you can put your quantity. So totally 1600 has been taken at site. If you want, you can put the entire 1600 meter here and keep this as 0. Ultimately it will be becoming 0. So wherever you put this used quantity, finally material on site is going to become 0. So that will not matter much. So if you want, you can put your 1600 meter. If you can just put here 1600 meter and just keep this as 0. So still your stock will be remaining the same. Your amount might change, but finally it is going to become 0. So just I have put here as you have taken used quantity 1600. So remaining 600 for this stock, for this delivery set, 600 meter is remaining, and for this part of delivery that has been made, 1600 is used and 900 is remaining. So AHU 6 was used in December, and now 6 is being used in the next month. So total 12 numbers has been used. So stock is nothing, 0. Here again 1 more was remaining, so that 1 is used here. So the stock of water supply pump is 0. So your work done, if you see, your previous claim will be what you have previously claimed, and currently your claimed is 1600 meter of cables that has been used in January month. So total 2000. So if you see the works, the total will be 2000. The current will be 1600. So this is for the January month claim. So 1600. So then January you have claimed 6 numbers in AHU. So that 6 will be coming here in your current claim. And 1 number you have used, your pumps has been used. So 1 will come here. So based on that, your claims total claim, your current claim will be this much. And finally, here I have made the total MOS as 0. So your remaining, if I'll change here, so your 600 meters was remaining here and 900 meters was remaining in the second set. So I'll assume that 600, I'll just make it, so I'll just make it 1600 and 0 was like before. So you're claiming your remaining, you had 600 meters here and 900 meters here. So we'll see that we'll claim 600 meters, the remaining 600 meters, we'll keep it as February, and your 900 meters as 13th February. So with this month, you have completely used both these delivery sets. Both these 3,500 cables have been used. So your stock is 0. AHU and water supply pump already within the previous month MOS had become 0. So with this MOS, the cables have become 0. So you have totally used your 3,500 meters of cable, your 12 number of AHU and your 5 numbers of water supply pump has been used. So in the current month, February, only 1,900 plus 600. So 1,500 meters has been used in your current claim. The remaining you have already been used. So this is your total work done. So your MOS has become 0. So hope this concept is clear, and if you require this format to just see to it and understand it more clearly, you can just put your mail ID in the comment section so that I can send you the mail. So I hope the concept of material on site is clear. If you have any doubts or clarifications, do let me know in the comment section, and please do subscribe for more informative videos related to quantity surveying. So until my next video, keep learning and stay safe. Bye.